The Genesis GV80 offers Remote Smart Parking Assist 2, or RSPA 2, which can assist with driverless parking maneuvers. To remotely move your GV80 when the engine is off and it is parked, approach and press the door lock button on your Smart Key Fob to lock all doors. Then press and hold the remote engine start button within 4 seconds to start your vehicle. Depending on which direction your vehicle is parked, press either the forward button on the Smart Key Fob to drive out of the spot, or the reverse button to back out of the spot. The headlights and taillights will change from blinking amber to solid white when the vehicle begins moving. If you release the button or communication is interrupted, RSPA 2 will pause movement of the GV80. Press and hold the button again to continue moving the vehicle. RSPA 2 only operates when the Smart Key Fob is within 13 feet of the vehicle. If the key fob does not seem to respond, check the distance to the vehicle and press the button again. When finished, press the remote start button on your Smart Key Fob to turn off the vehicle and end Remote Smart Parking Assist. Be sure to use the Smart Key Fob to lock all doors before leaving. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.